I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed curry, full guide. Start by prepping all vegetables and proteins, chopping uniformly for even cooking, and organizing spices in small bowls. Heat 2 tablespoons oil, toast whole spices, then add onions and cook until golden brown for depth. Deglaze with 1 cup stock, add tomato paste and simmer, then add proteins and simmer until flavors meld and curry thickens gently. First, make the spice base. Toast and grind whole spices for a fragrant powder, and use fresh ground cumin for earthiness. Sauté aromatics in oil, add ginger garlic paste, then stir in spice mix and cook briefly to release oils. Add chopped tomatoes and simmer down, then blend if you prefer a smoother sauce before returning to the pan and adding vegetables and proteins to finish. Taste and adjust salt and acidity to balance flavors. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy the video, please subscribe and like so we can keep making tasty guides. It really helps. On another note, automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. It pairs with road trips to your curry night perfectly. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Enjoy. Keep the curry creamy by finishing with a splash of coconut milk or a dollop of yogurt, and avoid boiling after dairy is added. Use low simmer to prevent proteins from overcooking, and let the curry rest off heat for 10 minutes to marry flavors. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lemon, and serve with rice or flatbread for a complete meal. Store leftovers refrigerated up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.